Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a DIY activity cube to keep your little one's hands busy and engaged. To get started, cut 6 pieces of 6" by 6" cardboard squares. I use cardboard from shipping boxes. For the first side, mark 2 dots in a row on either side as shown using a pencil. Repeat the same for 5 times. Poke a hole using a craft knife or an awl at the marked spots. Insert a pipe cleaner on each hole on one side. Turn the cardboard and glue each pipe cleaner securely using hot glue. Now insert the beads onto the pipe cleaners. I followed 1 bead for the first pipe cleaner and 2 beads for the second, and so on till 5. Once the beads are strung, bring them to the edge and insert the other end of each pipe cleaner into the hole onto the right side. Cut the remaining pipe cleaner and secure each pipe cleaner with hot glue as you did previously. The first side of the activity cube is done. Now let's move on to the side 2. The second side is going to be fun with pulling the ribbon strings. To give a sensory touch, I have used various textures, colors and sizes of ribbons. To do this, poke 2 holes randomly on the cardboard square. Thread the ribbon through the holes. If you find it difficult, use an awl or any sharp object like a thick needle to push the ribbon through the hole. You need not make a large hole here, as you will need to make a big knot to make the ribbon stay in place while pulling on the other side. Once you thread the ribbon through the holes, make a knot at the edge and make sure the knots are bigger than the holes, especially for the smaller size ribbons. Side 2 is now ready. Let's move on to the side 3. Side 3 is going to be a fun surprise of a family picture using a wet wipes lid. To do this, print a family picture a little bigger than the size of the lid. I use the glue on the lid to stick the picture. If you don't have a glue stuck on your lid, use hot glue to glue it. Then use a knife to cut the picture to the size of the lid. Use glue stick on the middle and hot glue on the outside to stick the lid with the picture to the cardboard. I then used a black marker to trace the outline of the lid to make it pop. To invite the kid to open the lid, I added his favorite tractor on the top of the lid. The side 3 is now done. For the side 4, I added a simple smiley face. I traced a circle on a yellow cardstock and added googly eyes for some movement. For the mouth part, I cut and stuck a semicircle from a pink cardstock and I added a piece of bubble wrap on top for sensory touch. The side 5 is going to be a sticky play with shapes. To make the shapes, cut 2 pieces of the particular shape in felt and glue them together using hot glue, leaving a small opening. Then take a piece of felt and fold it twice as shown and use glue to secure. Insert the felt piece into the small opening of the shape and secure it using hot glue. Take a small amount of pillow stuffing and stuff the shape to make it easy for the child to hold and pull. Then close the shape using the hot glue. Repeat the same for all the shape pieces. Once the shapes are done, mark the size for making the hole and use craft knife to cut a line. Insert the shapes into the cut as shown. Secure it using hot glue at the back. Add velcro dots to the shape and to the cardboard to finish the side 5 of the activity cube. Now let's move on to the last side of the cube. For this side, I am using a zipper, elastic and a magnet. You can totally customize this based on what is available to you. Using hot glue at the sides of a zipper, glue the zipper diagonally to the cardboard center as shown. I hot glued a metal brad as a stopper for the zipper. Also, I trimmed the ends of the zipper using scissors. Then for the magnet, I am using 3 similar metal badges from which I removed the pins. I then hot glued a magnet onto one of them and glued it to the cardboard. For the other side, I added a piece of folded duct tape onto the back side of the metal badge and covered the other side with another metal badge. Then I added a slit onto the cardboard and inserted the duct tape into it and secured it at the back using hot glue and duct tape. For the button and elastic, poke 2 holes as shown and use a twist tie on the back of a button and thread it inside the holes. Twist it and secure it with glue at the back. For the elastic, poke a hole and insert both the ends into the hole to form a loop on the top and adjust the elastic and knot it to secure at the back. Add a piece of duct tape for extra security. Now the side 6 is done. The only thing that is left is to put all the cardboard pieces together to form an activity cube. Add a line of glue at one side of the cardboard piece and attach the other side to it. Add a line of glue to the inside. Once it is dried, attach the next side. Keep repeating the process until all the sides are attached and the cube is formed. I added an inch of shiny duct tape on all the sides to cover the cardboard corrugation. Hope this DIY activity cube inspired you to make your own. You need not use the same supplies as me. Be creative and try different materials to give your own twist. If you make one, be sure to tag me on social media. I would love to see your creations. Feel free to ask your questions below or DM me for any doubts. Until next time, bye bye, take care.